To correctly enter a refund in QuickBooks Online 2024, start by navigating to the dashboard and selecting the plus icon to create a new transaction. Choose the refund receipt option and select the customer you are issuing the refund to. Enter the date of the refund and the refund amount, and choose the payment method, such as cash, credit card, or check. If you are issuing a refund for a specific invoice, select the invoice number and QuickBooks will automatically populate the refund amount. If you need to issue a partial refund, you can manually enter the refund amount and select the items or services being refunded. Be sure to include a clear description of the refund and the reason for the refund in the memo field. Once you have entered all the necessary information, select Save and Close to record the refund. You can also print or email the refund receipt to the customer for their records. It is essential to keep accurate records of refunds in QuickBooks to ensure accurate financial reporting and to maintain a clear audit trail. Regularly reviewing and reconciling your accounts will help you identify any discrepancies and ensure that your financial records are up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can correctly enter a refund in QuickBooks Online 2024 and maintain accurate financial records for your business. Remember to always verify the refund amount and customer information to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. QuickBooks Online 2024 provides a range of tools and features to help you manage refunds and other financial transactions efficiently. By taking the time to understand how to use these features, you can streamline your accounting processes and make informed decisions about your business. Entering refunds in QuickBooks Online 2024 is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and accurate record keeping. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date, and that you are providing excellent customer service by issuing timely and accurate refunds.